Hello and welcome to iShule. Welcome to the teacher dashboard. Welcome teacher. So in this tutorial we shall be teaching you on how to log in and the basic overview of your dashboard. Overall tutorial shall be looking at each feature in your dashboard. But for this first tutorial we shall be teaching you on how to log in and also the basic overview of your dashboard. Now, when you are given the link by the school admin on how to access your dashboard, you shall encounter something like this on your browser. After accessing your dashboard, you shall have something like this, like the one I have. Now, this one is my demo school dashboard. It does not reflect any school. But looking around it, we can see we have the name iShule, the logo. We have a box where you're supposed to enter your mobile number, the next button, the name of our company. Now, once you arrive at this page, what you simply need to do is to enter your mobile number. Now, the mobile number you enter into the dashboard is the mobile number you used or you registered with the school. This means the school has your mobile number, and it is the mobile number you gave your school that they shall actually allow you to use to access the system, meaning you cannot access the system or the dashboard using an external number that is not registered by your school. So I'm going to use a demo number to display. But first of all, let's see what happens when you try to put or key in a random number. For example, if I say a number like 800, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I click on the next. First of all, it's telling me please enter valid number, meaning it does not register that number, it does not recognize that number in that country. Let me use 700 and I click on next. You see it tells me mobile number not registered. Now when you're trying to access the system and it is telling you mobile number not registered, it means the school administrator does not have your number. What you simply need to do is to contact your school admin, give them your correct number, and they'll give you access into the system. Now, I'm going to use a number that is already registered. Now, I'm assuming this is the number that has been registered within the school. What I simply need to do after putting in this number, I click or tap on next. After doing so, it will tell me OTP successfully sent. It means there is a code that shall be sent to your phone. Now, the 4-digit code that is sent to your phone is the 4-digit code that you actually use to fill in along these 4 boxes. Now, for my case, my 4-digit code is 1111. After doing so, I simply click or tap on log in. And just like that, as you can see, I am already logged into the system. I am logged into the console. After logging into my dashboard, this is what you will be able to see. Now, for example, at the top, these are the names of the teacher, Abali Abakudu. On the top right, it's the profile picture. Top left, it's the name of the school. And we have a number of features: teacher, routine, manage assignment, exam, study material, event, timeline, and chat. We shall be looking at each of these features one by one in later tutorials. Now, if you want to access your profile after logging in, you simply click or tap on your profile picture. After doing so, you shall see a dialog box coming out, giving you 2 options: edit the profile or log out. So when you click or tap on the edit profile, you shall see this is the profile of the teacher. The first name, the middle name, the last name, the teacher ID. We have the teacher profile picture. We have the gender, date of birth, and a lot of other details involved. Now, when you want to edit your profile, anything that you see is grayed out with the red stop sign. That means you cannot change these details. You can change the profile picture, you can change the gender, but these are the ones that have been grayed out. You cannot change. You can even change your qualification. You can upload your degree. You can change your home address, your emergency details. After changing any of them, you simply click or tap on update. Now, in case the names are wrong, the teacher ID is wrong, the date of birth is wrong, you simply need to contact your school administrator, who shall actually be able to edit and update them for you. So after changing them, after updating, you can keep on updating as much as you please, but please keep it as professional as possible. Now, to go back, if in case you're done updating and you want to log out, if you need to log out of your system, what you simply need to do is you simply tap or click on your profile picture, and then you click on logout. Once you click or tap on logout, you shall be out of the system. So that's it for us. Thank you for joining me this day, and good day.